Today I'm going to show you how to properly transfer liquids from one container to another using what's called a pipette and the pipette drawing tool. This is a graduated cylinder that measures up to 10 milliliters of a liquid. This is a pipette that measures up to also 10 milliliters of liquid, and its degree of accuracy is in the hundredths. Since it only goes to a tenths place, you're supposed to estimate another decimal value. So you basically just look in between the lines and see where it rests and then make an estimation of what percentage of that it's in between. So we'll transfer 5 milliliters of this and 5 milliliters of that into here, and to ensure this pipette's accuracy, we'll make sure that it adds up to exactly 10 in there. So first what you want to do is you want this to be all the way down, and then you'll take it and attach it, not too hard or else you'll break this since it's fragile. And once it's all in one mechanism, take it, make sure to keep it steady and stable, and then draw the liquid up into the pipette, and you'll be able to see what line it rests on. And then once you take it out, you put your thumb on top to keep the liquid inside of the pipette, and then just drop it out until it reaches the level you need it to be at, which can be very tricky at times. And then when measuring liquids, a curve will always form where the liquid level lies, and to measure it, you measure it at the bottom of what that curve is, which is called the meniscus. So here's half of a milliliter. So we'll drop that in there. We'll get another half milliliter. To release, just lift your thumb off the top, and the gravity pulling on the liquid will do the rest for you. So there was 1 milliliter being transferred as measured by that pipette, and it indeed does lie directly on the 1 milliliter line on the graduated cylinder, so we know that it's accurate.
I'm Bruce. Anyway, the point is significant figures, precision, accuracy. None of these things can really be determined without accurate measurements. Test tubes, or micropipettes in this instance, really are used very commonly throughout the world, and especially in North America for the children most of the time, to be able to actually replicate accurately and precisely the amount of measurements that you're trying to measure. So really, what we're saying here today is that when you use it, you got to be careful for the children. I was a fluid engineer for several years, and I almost know some stuff.